Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Capital on Tap app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Capital on Tap is a business credit app designed to help small business owners manage their expenses, access credit lines, and earn rewards. Originally developed to simplify business spending, Capital on Tap combines a credit card platform with powerful financial tracking tools. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks for seamless expense management. The app's main feature is its business credit card, which allows users to make purchases, pay bills, and manage team expenses in one place. It provides instant transaction tracking, flexible repayment options, and cashback rewards on business spending. Users can also issue additional employee cards, set spending limits, and monitor expenses in real time. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Capital on Tap for its straightforward application process, transparent fees, and generous rewards program. It helps businesses maintain smooth cash flow while earning cashback on everyday expenses. The integration with accounting tools also makes bookkeeping faster and easier, saving time for busy entrepreneurs. However, there are some drawbacks. The app is currently limited to certain regions, and approval depends on creditworthiness and business history. Some users have mentioned occasional delays with statement updates or payment processing. Additionally, while the rewards program is strong, it may not be as beneficial for very small businesses with minimal spending. In summary, the Capital on Tap app may be worth using if you're a small business owner looking for a simple, rewards-based credit solution with integrated financial tracking. However, if you prefer traditional business loans or operate outside supported regions, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.